Nestled in the rolling countryside just minutes from Washington, D.C., Chateau LaTorre boasts a secluded guest property unlike any other. From the moment you book your stay, our team is hard at work planning an exclusive, customized experience.
Welcome to Chateau LaTorre this fall.
A member of our team is available poolside to ensure that you have each and every amenity that could make your time in the sunshine relaxing and comfortable. Locally sourced organic ingredients are used by our award-winning chef to prepare daily gourmet meals based on your culinary preferences. It is our pleasure to host you for alfresco dining any night you desire. Herbs grown on site are used to craft exquisite cocktails with any spirit you wish and can be enjoyed daily during happy hour on our veranda. From deep relaxation to beauty and physical health, the Chateau promotes holistic wellness through our spa and fitness offerings. Unique on-site activities can be arranged at any time, contributing to a vacation you will remember for years to come. For the aspiring chef, join us in the kitchen for private culinary lessons ranging from Italian pastas to Asian stir-fries. One of our most popular curated events is a guided wine tour and tasting. Follow our resident sommelier as she takes you on a journey through the chateau, pairing expertly selected wines with light refreshments. For those who want to get out on the open roads, our private driver will have you taken care of. Whether you're joining us for a holiday or for a private girlfriend's getaway, Chateau LaTorre guarantees an experience like no other. Visit our site today to book your stay.